Hi, I am Cher Bull. I'm an elementary education major with a minor in special education, and I am going to show you how to decode words, and I'm going to do a mini lesson on how I would teach this within elementary ed. Special ed would be a little more difficult. I didn't really adapt it for that, but we will do the best that we can. Okay, so for today I'm going to teach you. We're going to practice some words like you would practice on your decoding words, okay? We're going to practice because at the end I'll hand you a worksheet, and so we need to know how to decode this word, okay? So, do you see a vowel in this word? Does anybody in here see a vowel in this word? Can you tell me what it is? What is that vowel? It's an I. It's an I. That is a vowel. And we know that because A, E, I, O, and U are all vowels. And sometimes Y. Y is an exception, but we have not learned that yet. So, we have learned the vowels. Okay? So, do you see anything after this I? Do you see anything? After the letter I, that is our vowel, what do you see? Yes, you see the letter T. What is the letter T? Is it a vowel or is it a consonant? It's a consonant. Because as I told you before, A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y are vowels. So can T be our vowel? No, it's a consonant, okay? So now we know that I is our vowel and T is our consonant, okay? So let's go over our rules. We have two main rules, okay? And you guys have studied this in previous times, but we're going to go over it for those of you that don't remember, okay? So what is our first rule? Does anybody know our first rule? This says that a vowel is followed by a consonant. Okay, so this is our vowel and it's followed by a consonant, right? Okay, so when our vowel is followed by our consonant, we code it with a little, I call it a smiley face. We put a little smiley face over our vowel. The real word for this little smiley face is called the breve. So if it asks you on your worksheet to make a breve over the vowel, then you'll know that that's what that means. But I call it a little smiley face, okay? Then our second rule is that an open accented vowel is long. So that means, that arrow means that it's open-ended. Okay, so if it's a long vowel, we put this little straight line over it, which is called a macaroon. Okay, so in this word, does this vowel have a consonant after it? Yes. So what should we put over the I? Do we put a straight line? Or do we put a smiley face? Do we put a breve? Or do we put a macaroon? Which one do you guys think? Yes, we put a smiley face over the I. What does that tell us about the I? Tells us that the I is short and it is followed by a consonant. Okay? So now let's go through this word. What sound does this letter make? Can anybody tell me what sound this letter makes? L, L. That's correct. That is correct. What sound does this short I say? It says I. Because short, we know that short I says I. Okay? So now we have the L, so we have L, and we have I. Okay? What does this letter say? It says T, T. So this is a T that says T. And what is it? Is it a vowel or a consonant? It's a consonant, right. So now let's see if we can read this word. L, I, T, lit. Does anybody know what that word said? Okay, let's say it all together. Let's blend it, though. We don't want to pause too much in between so that we can get all of the letters in, okay? So let's not say it fast. Don't say it fast. Just blend it, okay? So lit, lit. Okay? So what is that word? Lit. Can anybody in here tell me what a sentence would be for the word lit? Do you know what the word lit means? Okay. He says, my mom lit a candle. So coming from that sentence, what do you think lit means? It means to light it. Okay? So his mom lit the candle. She actually put fire in the candle and made it burn. Okay? So now does everybody understand what they will be doing on their worksheets when I hand them out? Okay.